Right guys, here's how I build 1,000 relevant internal links in literal seconds to revive old blog posts automatically. So I have this blog post written like a year ago, and I have AI run through it and automatically add links to other blog posts of mine, to other sources, all this automatically. So I just go here, I add my site, it analyzes all the blog posts on my site. I can even click here to preview a certain blog post that is here, and this blog post has almost no link, right? It's an old post with a video, yeah, but not that many links there, right? So I just have the AI analyze that, click generate, and the AI gives me a list of suggestions. So it shows me, right, where the anchor text is. Google ranks, so it's, if I do Control F right here, Google ranks right here, this is the anchor text it's suggesting me, gives me the whole context of the sentence, and then gives me a list of links that I can link out to. So I can click here, right? I can even preview the link it's going to be linking out to. And sorry, this should be external links, not internal links, right? And it gives me the preview of the link that I'm linking out to. It's this one. I can see if it makes sense. If it does make sense, I just enable this. And let's say I also want this, this, and that. I want this to be this source, and I click insert links. Now, in just like 20 seconds or even less, the AI is going to run through the post and automatically update the links. Like as you see, 4 links have been inserted. So if I just click here and hit refresh, this is going to transform into an external link. So that's that. There we go. There's the external link to that page. All this done automatically, and also added a few more. This wasn't there. This wasn't there. So all these links created on autopilot. This is a great way to, again, update and revive old blog posts automatically with AI. Again, just go here, add your site. The AI analyzes all the posts in there. Then you click generate, and it'll give you a list of multiple anchor text suggestions, give you the context or where they are inside of the sentence, and again, a list of sources you can link out to. Again, just enable the ones you want. You can enable all, and click insert links, and all the links will be inserted into your articles automatically on autopilot. It is super cool. To connect your site's quite simple. To connect, just go here to integrations, new integration. If you have a WordPress site, add it here. If you have a Shopify store, add it here. Ghost, Wix, Webflow, Blogger, same thing. It's quite straightforward. If you have any questions, there's like tutorials here on how to do it. Click watch tutorials, like 30 seconds. So yeah, it's super simple. The tool is called Journalist AI. Give it a go. It's a great way to revive old blog posts in literally just seconds. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.